So here's how to check the health of your Windows laptop battery. Simply come to the search section and type in CMD, which is short for command prompt. You can immediately run as an administrator, or come to the CMD section and right click and run as administrator. Click on yes to give access to make changes to your device. And in this section, you want to type in powercfg/energy and then enter on your keyboard. This will start generating a report for your battery. This can take up to about 60 seconds, which is 1 minute to finish generating the report. Once the report has been generated, you will see the energy efficiency problems that were found. To get more information, copy the paths in this section and then open the File Explorer. In the search section here, you want to paste the HTML path and then enter on your keyboard. This will open your browser the full report of your battery health. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.